Welcome to today's deep dive. When you walk into a sprawling sports bar and see those massive video walls, your eyes naturally just lock onto the
Oh,
screens.
for sure. We get totally mesmerized by the pixels.
Right. But keeping all that magic suspended in midair is this entirely hidden ecosystem of hardware. And today we are unpacking the unsung hero of that ecosystem. It's the Bolin BSM-10 surface mount, which we pulled straight from the massive HDTVSupply catalog.
Yeah, it's funny because we completely forget about the literal steel that's keeping, thousands of dollars of sensitive equipment from just crashing down on our heads.
Exactly. And securing that gear isn't just about driving some screws through a metal plate into drywall. The mount has to perfectly match the hardware. Like in this case, the BSM-10 is precision engineered specifically for Bolin's D-series
Right,
boxes.
specifically the D10H and D20S models, which, for those who don't spend their weekends wiring stadiums, those are the powerful decoders that actually process those high-resolution video feeds.
So they're basically the brains of the operation. And I mean, you wouldn't just slap the brains just anywhere.
No, definitely not. This mount actually lets installers attach those specific decoders to a pole, a pendant rack for a TV monitor, or even directly behind a monitor, really any vertical surface.
It kind of makes me think of buying a high-end, custom-fit phone case. Like, you wouldn't use a generic one-size-fits-all bracket for precision AV gear because it might leave your expensive equipment, well, wobbly.
That's a really great way to look at it, actually, because when you're outfitting a high-traffic entertainment venue or, say, a corporate boardroom, you're optimizing for two things at once: absolute safety and a perfectly clean aesthetic.
Right, because a generic bracket often leaves cables just jutting out everywhere.
Yeah, or worse, it leaves the device rattling against the wall every time a heavy door slams. So precision engineering solves both of those problems by hugging the device completely flush to the surface.
Which brings up the actual logistics of getting these things on the wall in the first place. For a mount that holds heavy, expensive decoders, the BSM-10 itself is surprisingly light. It only weighs 1.25 pounds.
Which might not sound like a huge deal, but it matters immensely in the field.
Yeah, at first glance, I just thought, well, okay, it's light. But thinking about the person actually installing it, shaving off a few ounces is a big deal, right?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, imagine standing near the top of a 12-foot ladder, trying to hold a bracket steady with one hand while operating a power drill with the other. Less weight means less installer fatigue, which makes the whole integration safer and much faster.
Totally makes sense. And speaking of the logistics, it's priced at just $99 today and actually includes free shipping in the US.
Yeah, it's a very standard, predictable line item for a commercial budget. Oh, and it's sold separately from the Bolin boxes themselves, which is important to note.
Right, sold separately. And it comes with a 1-year warranty, but you can actually extend that to 3 years for an extra $80. That's part number TA/10500.
Exactly. Good to have that peace of mind.
But I did notice one genuinely funny anomaly in the listing while we were going through the source text.
Oh, what was that?
So amidst all the structural specs, the catalog literally claims this metal bracket, quote, ships with the latest firmware. I mean, I have to assume a piece of bent steel doesn't actually need a software update.
Yeah, no. Your metal bracket is thankfully entirely offline. That is almost certainly just a hilarious copy-paste artifact.
I figured as much.
But honestly, it actually tells you a lot about the vendor. Like, HDTVSupply has been in the global audio and video business for 25 years.
Right, they've got over 10,000 positive reviews.
Exactly. And they have this staggeringly large database of highly technical software-driven gear. Things like their famous Wolfpack matrix switchers, which route dozens of video signals simultaneously across complex networks.
So basically, when you have thousands of tech items, sometimes a line of text about firmware accidentally migrates to a metal bracket.
Precisely.
Yeah.
It's just a funny little window into the sheer scale of modern AV distribution and, massive database management.
It really is. So ultimately, the BSM-10 isn't just some random hunk of metal. It's a $99 lightweight custom solution that's an absolute necessity if you're integrating Bolin D-series boxes into a professional space.
Yeah, it's the invisible infrastructure that makes the visible technology possible, which, is something to really think about.
For sure.
Next time you're sitting in a sports bar or walking through a high-tech office, just take a second and look behind those glowing screens. Consider how much of our modern, hyper-connected visual world relies entirely on these unglamorous, hidden pieces of metal perfectly doing their job in the shadows.